Hi there, little artists! Welcome back to channel Draw Animals for Kids, where we dive into the ocean of creativity. Today, we're going to draw one of the biggest creatures in the sea, a magnificent whale. So grab your paper, pencils, and let's swim into the world of whales. Let's start by drawing the whale's body. Begin by drawing a long, curved line in the middle of your paper. This will be the top of the whale's body, so make sure it's nice and smooth. Now let's draw the bottom of the whale's body. From the left end of the top line, draw another curved line that dips down a bit, then curves back up to meet the right end of the top line. This should create a shape that looks a bit like a stretched out oval. Let's not forget the whale's tail. At the right end of the body, draw two large, triangular shapes that point outward and slightly up. Next, let's draw the whale's head and mouth. Add a gentle curve below to form its big, friendly mouth. Now, let's add the whale's eye. Draw a small circle just above the mouth on the head. Whales have small eyes compared to their big bodies, so make it small and cute. You can draw some more details to make the whale more vivid. I will draw this whale spraying a column of water into the sky. Great job! Now, let's bring our whale to life with some color. Most whales are shades of blue or gray, so you can color the body a deep blue with a lighter blue for the belly. Don't forget to color the fins and tail. A vivid image of a whale is about to appear. You can color it as you like to have a beautiful picture. And there you have it, a beautiful whale swimming happily in the ocean. I hope you had a whale of a time drawing with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to channel Draw Animals for Kids for more amazing animal drawing adventures. See you next time!